Good afternoon, everyone. Dave here at Ceramic Pro San Diego. Just here to show you guys this Lexus we just finished up. Just finished up a two-step correction on it. So level 2 correction, which is our package right under our full correction. Guy bought the car pre-owned, so he just wanted to fix some of the light scratching in the surface. We put a ceramic coating on it. We did the Ceramic Pro 5-year coating. All the surfaces, paint, glass, the wheels, plastics, all that good stuff. And then we did custom install paint protection film, help with them rock chips. Get a few in there, but we touched them up, covered them up. Looks pretty good. Now he doesn't really have to worry about getting any more. Cool. Thanks for watching.